Wait, Sophie, stop.
Even it's hard. You have to like go like.
No, wait, don't.
Cut.
Cut. Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. Action. Wait, Sophie. Oh my God, Sophie. Sophie. Sophie, stop. Quit, Sophie. Wait, stop, Sophie.
Get her off.
Sophie, stop. Sophie, wait, no. Alex, Sophie. Are you okay?
Yes. Yes, thank you.
Oh my God.
Shit.
Wait,
Oh,
no,
fuck.
no,
Oh, shit.
no, no, Alex. Sophie, you have to quit doing this. Sophie, stop. He's gonna die. Sophie, he's gonna die, and then you're really gonna get in trouble. Oh my God. I killed him. No. I freaking killed him. No. And it's your fault. It's your fault. I killed him. No. No. Okay, wait, hold on. No. Wait.
What do you do?
That's the key to the handcuffs. Hold on. Caroline.
All right.
All right. Hi, police officer.
I would take off. You won't be able to. I'd take off. Thank you.
Why are you aiming there?
Wait, hold on.
What are you packing?
Alright. Hey guys, it's me, Caroline, the baddest beer. Okay, anyway, today we're gonna go to our houses in Zalaniga, you know, the Rubies. And y'all, please pray we get this because we need this really bad or else we're camping for the next 6 months of our life. So yeah, we're just gonna tour this bad boy and then we're gonna go shopping. Let's shop, baby. What do y'all think I can mow $26?
This is our common space, Caroline. Yeah, we have a chair.
We can put a couch, maybe.
Or we've got to do something.
Literally, Moby's gonna take up 1/3 of my room. So.
Got real focal lighting. That's a cute window.
Let me tell you a little secret. $74 for boop boop boop. 3 rugs, 2 of them being area rugs. They're pretty big. If you are ever in Lawrenceville, go to Lawrenceville Antique Mall. Let's go to the produce. Trying to find that perfect. Y'all, let's move to Lawrenceville. Nah, for real. Who's trying to move to Lawrenceville?
No, for real though. For real though.
This is
Look at
actually,
that white
I might eat the
nectarine.
seed. I might eat the seed.
I probably will. From Chadwick's Produce.
I might just buy another one. Are you buying another one? Let's go.
Yeah. Red alert, we had to go back for more. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Happy birthday, dear Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thanks, guys. Thank you, Dominic. I know you're gonna comment on this. Thank you.
Hi, Dominic. Hi, Dominic. We see you. Thank you for being such a great supporter. Keep supporting us. We're gonna keep giving you content. This is just for you.
Can you say Dominic?
Hi, Dominique.
It's my birthday. More raff.
Wait, let's drive downtown Griffin.
New woman.
So, I didn't get waxed, but that's okay because I'm gonna braid it for the beach and put it in a ponytail.
I love being the helper. Seriously.
Girl.
Not in like a
It's my friend Olivia the help now.
of a better way, and more like I'm gonna live longer way. Okay, do you want to run a couple laps from the store, or are y'all too fat?
It coming halfway out of your shirt.
You look good. Girl, thank you.
I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh?
They both have like.
I'm looking for a girl in the villa. Nice tips. Nice tips. Like snakes. True story.